What's up guys, I'm Paul from the Fixbroz, and today I'm going to be reviewing some of the IBIZ products. So what we have here is the IBIZ Everything Waterless Wash and Wax. That's what we're going to use to wash off all of the dirt on this fender. Next thing, this is for leather, vinyl, and rubber. We're going to use that on this tire because it says on the bottle that it works for tires too. And last, here's some wax. This is what we're going to be using to wax the surface when we're done. They also come with this everything wash. That's not what we're going to be doing in this video. If you want us to make a different video about this, leave it in the comment section below. We read all your comments. This kit also comes with a really good applicator pad. It's really nice and soft, perfect for applying wax onto the car. And as always, don't forget to use the brush just in case if you get some wax into the gaps. Always remember to have a microfiber towel to wipe off the wax. So first what we're going to be doing is using the Everything Waterless Wash and Wax to wash off all the dust and dirt on this fender, and then we're going to use some soapy water to remove all the remaining wax that was on here before. And then we're going to put some wax on this and make it really shiny. Okay, so first we're going to use this Everything Waterless Wash and Wax. So just spray it on. And take a microfiber towel and just wipe it through to get all the dust and dirt off of it. And wow, this is shiny and it cleaned it so well. So now grab your soapy water, just spray it down a little to remove all the old wax that we put on here and put a new coat of wax, the IBIZ wax. So just wipe it off. This water is not that soapy, so it's fine just to wipe it with a microfiber towel. Okay, so it's nice and clean, so now we can grab our wax. Make sure that you shake it up before you use it. Now get the applicator pad, put some on. Start smudging it onto the car. It's really easy to apply. That's one thing I'm noticing already. So now let this dry for 10 minutes. So this wax is supposed to remove oxidation, road tar, tree sap, bird droppings, swirl marks, and protects it for 6 months. And it works on most surfaces: autos, motorcycles, boats, RVs, campers, trailers, aircraft, and so on. And same thing with the waterless wash and wax. While the wax is drying, let's test out the leather and vinyl cleaner and see how it works. First, wash down the wheel, some soapy water on it. Now wash off the soapy water. Just wipe it off now. Now we can apply the cleaner. It says that it'll protect tires, so let's see how it'll actually work. So just let that sit there for a minute, and now let's just wipe it off. Wow, this stuff is so good. I highly recommend you to buy this to put on your tires. It gives it a shine and also makes it really protected from the sun so that the sun wouldn't make it hazed up and ugly. Now it's time to wipe off the wax. So just grab your microfiber towel and start wiping all of the wax off. And look how much dirt it cleans off also. That's really good. Right away I'm noticing it's really shiny. It's extremely shiny. I love the way it shines. This is where the brush comes in handy. As you can see all that wax in there, just grab your brush, brush it out, make sure there's none left. That's what it looks like. Really clean. And you don't have to worry about taping that up or getting your fingers into there with the microfiber towel. So I haven't touched it yet, so let's see how smooth it is. Wow, this is so smooth. This wax is really good at making it smooth. And it's also really shiny. Look at that shine. Okay, let's go and see how it repels water. Now let's wait and see what will happen in 5 minutes. Okay, so this is about as much as it would repel water. So that's not really good. It leaves water spots. But the cool thing is, if you grab a microfiber towel, the water will just come right off. Okay, so now let's see how the tire will do on the water test. Okay, that actually repels the water pretty good. Now let's see how a normal tire will repel the water. Here's a tire that I haven't put the stuff on. Let's spray it. And as you can see, all the water just stays on it. And that's not what you want. You want the water to just slide right off. And once again, if you guys want us to do a review on this everything wash, be sure to leave a comment below. We read all the comments. We answer on the comments, so if you have any questions, be sure to ask in the comments below. The link is in the description to buy these products to their website, so if you want to go check it out, the link is in the description. So if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like. If you're not a subscriber, press the subscribe button over here. And now I'm going to be finishing up the rest of the car, so see you guys next time.